Hello friends, myself Parmeshwar Shankar Chauhan, BSc TY student at Late Rameshwar Pudkar College, Sonpet. Firstly, welcome to all of us in my presentation. In this PPT, I discussed on topic about 20 August World Mosquito Day and short history of why celebrate this day. Short information about mosquito, life cycle of mosquito, diseases spread by mosquito, and what are the preventions on it. So, friends, we well known World Mosquito Day observed annually on 20 August is a commemoration of British doctor Sir Ronald Ross. In 1897, he said that the female mosquitoes transmit malaria between humans. Ross is responsible for the annual observance, having declared shortly after his discovery that the day should be known as World Mosquito Day in future. The day is celebrated by the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicines hold Mosquito Day celebrate every year. The day also aims to raise awareness about the causes of malaria and how it can be prevented and fight against malaria. So let's know about shortly mosquito. Mosquito comprises a group of about 3,500 species of small insects that flies. They feed on blood of mammals. Mosquito disease transmission makes them the deadliest organism on earth. Friends, I said mosquito is the deadliest organism because near about 6 million deaths every decade occurring owing to malaria. Mosquito belongs to the family Culcidae, class Insecta and order Diphtheria. Then let's know about life cycle of malaria, which way they can grow larval to adult stage. The mosquito life cycle consists of egg, larva, pupa and adult stage. In this PPT shown which is grow larval to adult stage. First one is a larval stage. In this stage, hatched larva lives in a water. Larva mosquito feed on algae and bacteria. Second one is a pupa. It is also known as plumbers. Then adults. Adults are rise up from water and fly away. We know that only adult female mosquitoes are bite. Female can lose 1 to 2 weeks of a lifespan. Then another one is an important topic, diseases spread by mosquito, or which disease spread by mosquito and how they spread. The mosquito's saliva transferred to the host during the bite and can cause itchy rash. In this way, mosquitoes are important vectors of disease such as malaria, Zika, dengue, elephantiasis, chikungunya, and West Nile virus. Another one is a yellow fever. Yellow fever, also known as dengue, transmitted mostly by the see this PPT picture Aedes aegypti. This mosquito responsible for spreading dengue. Another one is the parasitic disease collectively called as malaria caused by various species of plasmodium carried by female mosquito Anopheles. This is a female Anopheles mosquito. This is also Anopheles mosquito to responsible for transmission of malarial disease. Then what are the preventions of mosquito or mosquito bite? Some prevention methods are prevention inside. Use screen on windows and doors. Sleep under the mosquito bed in net to keep mosquito outside. Like this. Another one method is remove habitats. Our home surrounds. Remove standing water in gutter week by week. Abandoned tires, buckets, toys, or any container that accumulate water. Keep swimming pool water treated and circulating. Next one is especially for babies to repellent mosquito. Do not use insect repellent on babies such as Odomas etc. younger than 2 months old. Just apply mosquito repellent spread on baby skin. Then personal protecting clothing. Which type of cloth is used in control of mosquito bite? So we wear long sleeve shirts, long pants, socks and closed toe shoes. Used clothes are multiple washing. Some products are protect as a mosquito repellent such as Odomas, Goodnight and Coil. Thanks a lot for watching this, and also thanks to guided by Professor Dr. Rankham Yesvi. Again, thanks a lot.